Displayr allows users to perform a range of data analysis and present the data with ease. Outputs can be presented as interactive online dashboards, or exported to PowerPoint, Excel, or as a PDF. For this video, I've created a summary report for a fast food tracking study. You can create and share an online dashboard with others by sending them a link to its URL. Just go to the Publish button at the top of your Displayr screen, and then select Publish as Web Pages. You'll see that there are 3 publishing options. The first 2 options, Public and Anyone with the link, does not require your viewer to have a Displayr login. If you want a more secure way to publish, select Login and Password Required, which will prompt the viewer to log into Displayr first. Once you've selected your publishing option, click on Publish. This will generate a unique URL for the project that can be shared with your viewers and will take them to the document's view mode. In view mode, users can interact with the dashboard by changing pages or applying filters, but they cannot modify the way that others see the document. When a document is modified in edit mode, changes will only appear in view mode once the document has been republished. Your viewers will still be able to export to Excel, PowerPoint, and as a PDF from the Export menu. Let's say that I want to export my document to PowerPoint and not publish it as a dashboard. First, I'm going to check the PowerPoint export options. By default, Displayr exports visualizations as images. This is because Displayr has more visualizations than PowerPoint. However, if you want to export charts that are editable in PowerPoint, you can change the default image export option to the Microsoft Chart export option instead. I'll make this the default. Now, we're ready to export the document to PowerPoint. I'll go to the Publish menu, and then click Export Pages, and select PowerPoint. Here, you'll have the option to export all pages, or only the pages you have selected in the Pages tree. And you'll also have the option to create a new PowerPoint report, or update an existing one. Here's my document in PowerPoint. You can review it, and if you decide to edit any charts, you can do so like you would in a normal PowerPoint deck. You will find the PDF export option under the Publish menu as well. Exporting to PDF will give you more of a what you see is what you get experience, meaning that your visualizations and tables will all be exported to PDF as an image and match what you see in Displayr. And the final option under the Export Pages menu within Publish is to export to Excel. In this case, all of your tables will export to editable tables. And your visualizations will be converted to simple output summaries. When your data changes, or you update your document with new outputs, you can simply re-export or republish the document, and those changes will be reflected.